Okay, let's try it. That color is amazing. These amazing fruits come from a cactus that can be found all across the United States. And they're one of my favorite wild edibles, but they do require some processing. Opuntia, or prickly pear cactus, are recognizable by their large, flat, oval or round pads, their stunning flowers, which can range in color between yellow, orange, pink, and red, depending on species, and these fantastic pear-shaped fruits. There are over 150 different species of Opuntia, and they cross-hybridize easily, meaning there are so many cultivars of this plant. And the good news is you don't need to know the exact cultivar to eat the pads or the fruits, because all Opuntia species have edible pads and fruits. Although how delicious one versus another does vary from species to species. One thing that they all have in common, however, is some very prickly spines. Each one of those tufts have a bunch of really sharp spines that can embed themselves in your skin. So harvesting these, you'll definitely want to use tongs, or I use just a crumpled up piece of paper to pull them off of the plant in this case. And then to process them, you will need to burn off the spines. You can burn off the spines over an open flame or over hot coals. Once the spines have been burned off, they can be handled with bare fingers. However, the juice is this bright pink and it will stain your fingers. Before eating, you're going to want to use a vegetable peeler to peel that thin outer skin off. And then once you get on the inside, you will notice there is sort of two layers to this fruit. There is the pulp, which has a bunch of tiny, very hard seeds in it. The seeds are non-toxic, you can swallow them, but you're going to break a tooth if you try to chew these seeds. You can scoop out that pulp with the seeds and boil it with water and sugar to make a syrup or a jelly, and then you can strain out the seeds. For fresh eating, I like to get at the layer that is between the skin and the seedy inner part. This layer right here. Ooh, this is a particularly good one. It tastes very much like watermelon. This particular species tastes like watermelon or like cucumber with a little sweetness and a hint of maybe some citrus. They can be eaten raw or cooked, and they are a fantastic beginner-friendly foraging find, as long as you don't mind getting a little messy. Are you ready to discover all the weird, wild, and wonderful foods growing near you? I wrote you a book for that. It is called Ecopunk Foraging: How to Use Wild Plants for Food, Medicine, and Crafts by Melanie Weird. It is available on Amazon. And if you need that community support, I got you covered there too. Go ahead and send me a message if you would like to join our brand new online free Ecopunk Foragers community, where you can share photos, get help, and learn fun new things with other foragers from all around the world. If you would like an invitation to that community, go ahead and let me know in the comments and I will send you the link.